Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your business portfolio on Facebook in 2025. So step 1, open your Facebook on your desktop browser and go to Business Manager by visiting business.facebook.com. Step 2, click on the business account that you want to manage. Step 3, in the left menu, go to the business settings. Step 4, under business info, scroll down and look for the permanently delete business option. Step 5, before the deletion, ensure that you have removed all associated assets, pages, ad accounts, pixels, and people. Step 6, click delete business, then confirm in the pop-up. And take note, deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. It may take up to 24 hours to fully process the deletion. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.